welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Again, happy Tuesday. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing our July 2019 GlossyBox. Now, this is my third month getting a GlossyBox. May was amazing. Last month, this is my third month, July 2019. So I had prepaid for a 3-month subscription. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments after we go through this what you guys think, if you think I should keep the subscription or if I should let it go. And I'll give you my opinion and we'll see what we think. So for those of you that are not aware, GlossyBox is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You do receive 5 to 7 full and deluxe size sample items. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to sign up. And I do have that link, I believe, gets you 10% off if you sign up. They do also have a promo going on right now. If you use the code FOURTH, spelled out F-O-U-R-T-H, you can get your first box for only $15. So, also before we get into, there's something in there. Before we get into the unboxing, I do want to remind you guys we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you have not yet entered, make sure you do head over. There will be a link for that down below as well. So let's get into our GlossyBox. They've been doing this a lot lately. A lot of subscriptions were before they've started doing it, the like HelloFresh and like wine type gift cards. But this is what I see. It is always tied up really nice. So I think their presentation is really awesome. Like I said, the May box I thought was amazing. Last month I was, you know, it is what it is. But so we will see what is underneath this pretty pink tissue paper. So it does always come with this little pamphlet here. All right, so it says coming soon. Guess what? It's our birthday, so grab the cake, get the glitter, and pick your favorite Get Ready With Me playlist, because next month it's a celebration blowout. For us, next month is a time to be extra, to be sparkling, and most importantly, to be glossy. As we celebrate turning another year older, we're giving you the best beauty with our box. Each present inside will be our #1 faves, just for you to be the icing on the cake for a fabulous August. No need to make a wish, because all of your beauty dreams will come true in next month's theme. Well, now that kind of just made my mind up for me. I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna see what happens next month. Sun's out. Glossy's sun-kissed skin, white sand beaches, and cool drinks by the pool are at the top of our vacation wish list this summer. Mine too. As we prepare to travel abroad, stay at home and relax, or get away for the weekend, we want to pamper, indulge, and embrace the slower pace of summer, which is why we love our theme, Summer Oasis. This month, GlossyBox is embracing summer with products that will make you feel cool and refreshed, just like you stepped out of the pool. Interesting. So then we get this big pamphlet here that tells us everything. I'm not going to peek too much. One thing I do like about GlossyBox, not only do they give us the information about the items, they give us pricing, and I appreciate that. So let's just dive in. I think my mind is made up for, I think I'm gonna keep it, because the thing about the birthday thing was next month. They got me with that. All right, so this is what I see when I open it. So they definitely stick with that pink and black. It's the pink tissue paper with some black squigglies. So the first item here I am pulling out is from True and Luscious Camera Powder Invisible Setting Powder. Right there. I have not heard of this. It is cruelty-free vegan, which is awesome. It is made in China, but it's distributed from Beverly Hills. Camera powder. Inspired by Hollywood makeup artist, a multitasking invisible setting powder that perfectly sets makeup for long-lasting results. Suitable for all skin types and skin tones, the lightweight and ultrafine formula creates a soft focus effect, diminishing fine lines, pores, and imperfections to create a radiant complexion. Apply over foundation or concealer with a puff or powder brush. For very oily skin, apply before and after foundation. For best results, use with Luscious Camera Stick. I'm guessing maybe that's the foundation. But there is that. So let's open it. It says Universal, if you can see that. It is taped. Oh, and then it's actually, this is like styrofoam. I can appreciate that because that means that they definitely do not want this to break in transit. So here is our outer packaging, or our actual inner pack. This is the product. I do like it actually, considering they're calling it a camera powder, that it looks like a lens. So. Oh, well, yeah, that's just a white powder. Let's see what it says. This is full size, and this is $29. So that right there is more than the box. Lights, camera, set. Unlike its competition, this powder from Luscious Cosmetics is extra finely milled and colorless. Perfect for all skin tones and super effective, keeping makeup in place and blurring imperfections. It minimizes flashback in photos, so that is awesome. All right, so I'm good with that. I mean, this one item alone is more than the cost of the box, and it is, you know, we all can use setting powders. I'm excited for that. All right, and then the next product here is from Jurlique. Rosewater Balancing Mist with Highlighting Jurlique Rose. I do not know if I'm saying that correctly. Right there. Lightly mist on the face or mist in the hands and gently pat on the skin. Use twice daily. Let's see what this says. Okay, so full size is 15 mLs. Which is what this is. You can see on the box. 15 mLs. This is $69. A #1 global bestseller, this mist will bring your inner glow to the surface as it hydrates, shields and balances your skin's pH levels. Plus, the fragrance will leave you feeling rosy and is a perfect way to freshen up in between or after makeup. So, tip: after toner, spritz a bit of mist to relax and rejuvenate. You can also mist on a bare face day to have that instant dewy glow. $69 for this. Oh man, let's see. This is from Australia. Sorry guys, this might end up being a little bit longer of a video, so maybe if you want to pause this, go grab some tea or something, because I'm going to read about this at $69. For over 30 years, Jurlique has grown, harvested, and extracted the most concentrated botanicals in the unspoiled hills of South Australia. Our unique skincare defies expectations of what's possible from natural ingredients. Radiant, glowing skin, effective beyond belief. Hydrates, restores, refreshes. Our most iconic mist, with its uplifting rose fragrance, delivers an instant burst of hydration even over makeup. Our exclusive Jurlique Rose Extract helps improve moisture levels, tone the skin, and restore your natural glow. Skin is left hydrated, refreshed, and protected throughout the day. Okay, I do not normally care for like an artificial rose scent, but at this is the actual product, you guys, and it is 15 mLs. Did I read that right? Full size 15 ml. 15 mLs, half an ounce. Oh my God. Rosewater balancing mist with hydrating Jurlique rose. Okay. So here's a $69 half ounce Rosewater. Like I said, I typically do not care for the scent of rose, but this bad boy is about to get spritzed on my face for you guys, because at that price for this size, I want to see. I need to see. So oh wait, Natoma, Miss Confidence Plus, sent me a pretty fan. So I can try this. Isn't it pretty? I can't. Isn't it pretty? It definitely has that rose scent. Do I look younger? But yes, thank you, Natoma. The fan is gorgeous. I love it. I love it that it is the black with the pink. I think it is so beautiful. And this little pink. Thank you so much. Again, Natoma, her YouTube name is Confidence Plus. She's such a sweetheart. Thank you so much, darling. And I definitely still smell the rose. However, for $69, I'm going to use that. I'll have to get over the rose smell. And if you guys hear thunder, I apologize. It is storming. I don't know if you're hearing that. I didn't want to get too behind on boxes, so I'm actually filming at like 9:30 at night, and we have just got some rumblers going through here right now, so I apologize. But let's move on. So next I see Layton Denny Miracle Mist Speed Drying for nail polish. Okay, I've seen this in the nail salon. Right here. I would guess this is full size. Full size is 75 mLs, and that's what this is. So this is $14. Got the perfect polish, but not the time. This little number is your secret weapon for an effortless manicure in a pinch. Don't worry, this mist is non-sticky and it will dry your nails in seconds, saying goodbye to long wait times and hello to freshly manicured hand selfies. So yeah, I mean, I've used something like this in a nail salon before I would get the gel manicure, so I don't need this because I do get the gel manicures, so I will actually set this to the side. We are getting very, very close to 4,000 subscribers, like less than 250 away. So this is gonna go, and I looked over that, I'm looking that way because I have a huge pile of products for you guys for the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So this is going to get added. So we will just roll it that way. All right, so our next product is from Orissa. I never know if I'm saying that correctly. Beauty, because I've got something from this brand in GlossyBox before. It's a lipstick. Obviously, this is full size. $22.50. 100% cruelty-free. This luxurious lipstick from Orissa's The Velvet Ribbon Collection gives nothing but long-lasting color and a satin finish. With their Glide-On formula, your lips will feel weightless, nourished, and protect. Thanks to their patented Orissa Sativa core ingredient with the help of shea butter and pomegranate. It is in the color Lido or Lido. it got a little messed up. It's okay. Again, it's probably just the heat. I mean, I can smooth that out. I really do like that color. That is absolutely a color I would wear. So I will fix that. And at $22.50, yes. Aside from the manicure mist, Miracle Manicure Mist, everything else has been over the cost of the box. We do have one product left, so we got 5 products this month. I'm actually very excited about this. This says After Spa, Amazing Makeup Remover. Reusable, you only need water, really. Wipes away makeup with just water. Removes makeup off skin surface. So this is kind of like the makeup eraser, but it is from After Spa. Amazing Makeup Remover, $5. Want to say goodbye to makeup wipes? Then After Spa will be your new eco-friendly best friend with the Amazing Makeup Remover. Removing up to 100% of the most difficult makeup with the help of its extra soft texture. Remover, all you need is water, goodbye full face, and hello soft dewy skin. Take advantage of steam. Fill up your sink or a bowl with hot water and hover your face over it for a minute or 2. The steam will open up your pores and make it easier to remove makeup and debris. So I'm actually really happy to have a full-size one of these. So I am going to actually give this guy a try tonight. So yay. So that was our GlossyBox for July 2019. Like I said, I was on the fence if I was going to stay. I think this box actually was really good. And the like hint for next month, with it being their birthday, I think they suckered me into staying at least one more month. So what do you guys think? Again, thank you so much for being here. It does mean so much to me. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video.